Hey guys, Steph here from Handbagholic. Now in today's video I have another haul. I have a few luxury items as well as a few high street pieces. I don't know about you guys, but in terms of the Black Friday sale and then just retailers sales in general, I have ordered a few things, including a new designer bag. And of course I want to get your guys' thoughts on my latest purchases, and that is why I love doing videos like this. I will pop links to everything in the description box down below for you if you like the look of anything, and yeah, let me know, have you made any recent purchases? Now before we dive straight into this video, if you are new to this channel and love designer bags and luxury and just beautiful things in general, we get it, you are in the right place. Make sure you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. You can also head over to Instagram, give me a follow there. I style lots of my designer bags and you will definitely be seeing some of these items on there. My handle is at handbag_holic. So first up, I'm going to share a designer purchase that I have just made, then a few of my high street pieces to see what you think, and at the end of the video I will show you my new designer bag. So the first item, this is pre-loved. I don't think I have purchased pre-loved items before in terms of fashion, but not really luxury fashion items. I think if I'm spending quite a lot of money on something, I like to be able to try it on. However, you can no longer buy this print and it's one of my favourite prints. So this is a Givenchy skirt, but I got this through Designer Exchange. So here is the beautiful skirt. And you might recognise this print. So this is the Baby's Breath print, which is from a few years ago now. I actually have a sweater, which is white and it has the same print on. And it's genuinely like one of my favourite items out of my wardrobe. So as soon as I saw this skirt, I did debate it for a little while because it's not the perfect size. It's probably like one size too big, but actually when I wear it, if I took in like a jumper or something like that, it's actually quite comfy. So let me show you close up. There's the print. It's like kind of Alexander McQueen kind of style. And then the back of the skirt, it has a zipper there. It was very exciting and I'm very pleased. The service from Designer Exchange was brilliant, and I really like my new Givenchy skirt. What do you guys think? Okay, next up we have a brand that I have been looking at for quite some time. This isn't a designer brand, it's more of a high street brand. This is House of CB, and I have been debating some of the dresses from House of CB for quite some time. And a few of them went into sale, and I also did a Black Friday 20% off. So I decided to go all out and invest in 3 new dresses. So I'll just show you the first one because I actually want to talk through sizes a bit because I was a bit unsure on what sizes to go for. Now this here is a beautiful, it's white with like a lemon and green kind of print on there. It has bows on the arms. I believe this is called the Alicia dress. You can see the price and codes there if you're interested. They do this in a few different colours, but I wanted to go for white. Now this is a very feminine style dress, which isn't normally my style, especially given the skirt that I've just shown you. However, I do think come summertime, I would like to dress in more feminine things, and just I wanted to mix my wardrobe up a little bit. So I'm very excited to wear this. Now I got this in a size extra small. I'll be honest, because it has like boned corsets in this part of the dress. So it's quite fitted here and then it flares out. This part of the dress, it fits, but it's quite tight. However, I am glad that I got this dress in a extra small because I feel like I like the fact that it's tight around the waist and then flares out. But if I was wearing this all day, it might get slightly uncomfortable. I probably should have gone for a small. Yeah, but for what I'm going to wear this for, I definitely think an extra small is fine. So yeah, I was debating which size to go for, so I hope that helps. I'm a UK size 8 to 10, if that helps anyone out there. Extra small fits, but small fits better. And then the other 2 dresses from House of CB. See here, this is called, let me find the tag. This is the Carina dress. This one is in a lemon colour with flowers on there. That is the name of the dress there and the tag. And it beautifully like ties up at the front here. I love this colour, like this lemon colour when you've got like a nice tan, you're on your holidays. That is what I bought these for. You might also be thinking, Steph, why are you buying summer dresses in winter here in the UK? It's getting very cold now. And the reason that I do that is to try and make a saving. This is something that I've had my eye on, but didn't need in summer. So when it did go, I think this one didn't go into sale. The lemon colour actually had 20% off for Black Friday. So I decided to order it. I also got another colour. And this one was in sale. This is like a beautiful kind of wine red. I'd actually go as far as to say I prefer this colour to the lemon. I don't know, let me know what you think. But very, very beautiful. Again, in summer with a tan. And yeah, if I see something in summertime that I think is more of a staple, like you know, these dresses are very pretty. They aren't going to go out of fashion. I don't think they're not really fashionable. They're just very, very pretty. I got these in the Carina dress in the size small. Very glad that I did. I feel this one is even tighter than the other dress that I got. So yeah, these fit nicely and they don't feel like they would hurt. So I could probably wear these like all day if I wanted to. But yes, very happy with all my dresses from House of CB. Have you ever purchased anything from them before? I haven't. This is the first time and I'm very happy with the quality of the dresses. Like they feel very heavy. But they also look beautiful, so I'm very excited to be able to wear them next year. Okay, so on to the next item. This is High Street again, and I cannot tell you how much I love these. So this is a bandage racer neck top from Millen. So it has a zip up the back there. And you can get these, or you could get these in quite a few different colours. I'll link down below, see if it's still available. This went into the sale. How much was it? I can't remember exactly. The price isn't on here. But I think it was reduced to about £60. And I love them. So I just find these super easy. You can put them on and then I wear them with a skirt or some shorts, something like that. Even jeans, to be honest with you. Yeah, I love them. They're really thick and nice quality as well. The reason that I got the black is because I got the white. I don't think you can get white anymore, but I got this earlier on in the year and I absolutely love wearing it. Like I wore it out when I was in London. I had quite a few people actually comment on this. I wore it with my Chanel necklace kind of like dangling over the top. Let me show you, which looked lovely. And as soon as I saw that the black one had also gone into sale, I grabbed this one immediately. So cannot recommend these enough if you're just looking for an easy top. The next item is a piece of jewellery. This is from Vinader. I absolutely love the jewellery from Vinader. I got a moonstone pendant, which I showed in a previous haul. But this is something that I've had my eye on for a little while now. I'll pop a link down below to this exact item. I've also got I believe it's a 10% off discount code, which I'll pop in the description for you. This is the beautiful box that it comes in. You just take that out there and then you get this beautiful felt packaging. And this is I believe it's called the Talisman pendant. It is beautiful. This is plated with real gold and it has a beautiful heart there in the middle. Now on this one I actually got it engraved, which is free, and you might be able to see that on the back. I have the words Pablo and Pixie engraved on the back, which is the name of my chihuahuas. These are a really, really beautiful gift. They have a wide range of jewellery. They've also got, so I've got a moonstone pendant as well. I'm really into like gemstones and crystals at the minute, so definitely loving the range over at Vinader. So now for the item that you've probably all been waiting for, being fellow designer bag lovers. I ordered this from Selfridges and it'll probably be no surprise when you see it. So this is the size of the box to give you an idea. It is a bag that I've had before but in a different material, if you can guess that. Selfridges had an amazing offer on. They had 20% off quite a few of their items, and I cannot quite believe that this item was in the 20% off. So I ordered it. I posted on my Instagram, by the way. If you aren't following me already, my handle's at handbag_holic. I posted on my Instagram stories and let you guys know that this had 20% off because it sold out, I think within me posting about an hour. So I managed to get one before they sold out. I knew that they would do. So here we go. This is the bag. As you can see, this is a Chloe bag, so you might have already guessed it. the beautiful dust bag here. So I haven't worn this anywhere yet. But yeah, I got this basically because of the discount, and I love this bag so much. Here we go. Yay! This is the Chloe Woody tote bag. This is the medium size, which is the size that I wanted to get. They have now brought the small Chloe Woody out with a crossbody strap. So I am very interested in that, but unfortunately that was not included in the 20%. I'm amazed that this was included in 20%, to be honest, because this is such a popular bag. When I went to Bicester recently, they had these out. They were not discounted at Bicester Village. So to get 20% off a brand new Chloe Woody bag, these last year were sold out completely. I think they actually made you buy another item before they would even put you on a wait list to be able to get this one. But now they seem to be in stock quite a lot online. It's a very lightweight tote bag, but it's perfect for every day. You can fit books, notebooks in here. You could possibly fit a small laptop, maybe, if you kind of stood it up that way. But yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? This is the canvas one. I did have the leather version before, but this was quite a difference in price. So it was £690. Still got the tags on. And I think I paid about £550 for this one. But it's looking very summery. I've tried it on with a few things, and I really like wearing it with like creams and whites. I think this looks really nice. A lot of people have said with the Chloe Woody, am I worried about like colour transfer or like damage in the bag? I'll be honest, it feels like quite a thick canvas, and yeah, it might get a bit dirty, but you can always send them for like a spot dry clean, or give them, I would personally clean it probably with carpet cleaner myself. I'm not advising anyone do that. That's just personally what I think I'm going to do if something happens to it, but I don't know what will happen when I do that. But yes, I'm loving it. Cannot believe Selfridges had 20% off. And like I said, I do spend a lot of my time shopping online. When I do see like one-off sales, discounts, anything amazing like this, I do share it. So make sure you give me a follow. So it's safe to say I am very pleased with my latest purchases. I cannot wait to wear my new dresses, my Millen top. I've already worn my Givenchy skirt out. I wore it on my recent Bicester vlog, so you might have already actually seen it. But I wanted to share it here on this vlog. And yeah, my Chloe Woody tote bag with 20% off for a brand new bag. Very happy. Let me know what you think to my latest purchases. Have you purchased anything? Let me know in the comments down below. It's always so great to hear from you guys. Now make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next I will link my latest video release here for you, and over here I'm going to be taking you through my entire designer bag collection of 30 bags and revealing my 3 best and 3 worst. Enjoy.